You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce those two words once and for all correctly. They have a similar pronunciation, but yes, obviously a different first syllable. Top word is the animal, pronounced as deer. That's British English pronunciation. Deer. The Americans say it as deer. The bottom word is the same but with an S sound at the beginning. Seer, or the American English pronunciation, seer. That's a person of supposed supernatural insight who sees visions of the future. Seer or seer. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.